Hello and welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. RIL plans investments worth 1.5 trillion rupees over the next 3 years. Maruti to shut down factories for 8 days to clear up inventory. Sensex falls as shares remain volatile. Reliance Industries plans to invest 1.5 trillion rupees in the next 3 years as it draws up an extensive expansion plan for its various businesses. Chairman Mukesh Ambani at the 39th annual general meeting said the company plans to invest in 5 businesses. These include exploration and production, petroleum refining and marketing, petrochemicals and retail, and 4G telecom. The company plans to expand its polyester capacity by 1.5 million tons to 4 million tons. RIL has made significant headway in the KG basin as well, and the company sees significant potential in the KG D6. Its US shale gas venture has more than doubled its revenue and EBITDA from last year. RIL shares were down 1% to end at 792 rupees. Maruti Suzuki India will shut all its plants for 8 days this month to clear up inventory. It plans to adjust production depending on the market demand. The company will use this downtime for maintenance at its facilities. The company reported a decline of 13% in sales for May. Currently, the car maker has inventory for 4 to 5 weeks. Maruti shares were up 1% to close at 1,587 rupees. Moving on, the rupee touched a record low today at 57 to the dollar. The rupee weakened as investors fear that the Federal Reserve is likely to end its monetary stimulus. The rupee is not far off the record low of 57.32 it hit in late June last year. Traders expect some intervention from the Reserve Bank of India, but nothing very bold. The rupee was trading at 56.85 per dollar after touching 57.10 in intraday trading. Traders also cited heavy dollar demand from oil refiners, the largest buyers of the greenback in the domestic currency market. Lastly, the markets, which fell in a volatile session. Markets fell as the rupee weakened to its lowest on concerns about Federal Reserve's curb on the stimulus plan. The fall was also led by RIL as there was no bumper announcement in the annual general meeting. The Sensex fell 48 points to end at 19,519, while the Nifty fell 3 points to close at 5,921. Traders are concerned with the weakening rupee as it may prompt foreign holders to sell their holding in the local shares. That's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.